Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here we have a Makita 18 volt drill. This is the HP457DWEX2. X2 meaning 2 batteries. Now I don't know whether you can see this, but there is a clearance sign on there. £99 reduced to 70, plus I get my trade discount on that, which came down to a lot less than what it paid for it. The reason it was discounted is because it should really have 2 batteries and it only has 1. But I thought we'll do a review on it and unbox it for you and then decide what you think of it. Still comes with the 3-year guarantee. As you can see, it's all boxed up, so it's obviously been open because otherwise they wouldn't know the battery was missing. The contents are 1 combi drill, says there 2 times 18 volt 1.5 Ah Li-ion batteries, so there's only one, as I've just said, and a battery charger and a carry bag, so it's not actually got a case, it's just got a bag. Sometimes that's an advantage depending on what you do. So this would be like great for DIY or tradesperson. A lot of tradespeople buy Makita drills. It's something they use a lot of, a drill, so you need something that's decent and good quality. Makitas are a really good make to buy. I personally usually buy DeWalt ones, which are I prefer them for some reason. I don't know why, but I thought I'll give Makita a go again. So let's get down to the unboxing. So here we are. Like I say, we'll get down to the unboxing. A lot of it's just packaging. Very simple. Take it out of its box. There we go. That's the box done with. Case. That's like suitcase quality material. And obviously we have these ABS suitcases now made out of plastic and like that silicone gel type stuff. But this is fabric, but it feels really good and sturdy. It's got a nice strong handle there as well. It's got the grip on it as well. I think does that come off? No, that doesn't come off. Stitched on. It's a bit of weight in there, but obviously it'll have charges in. Got the 2 zips. So we'll just undo that and that and open it up. There we go. That's the Makita drill. Got the instructions here, and obviously this is where you get your guarantee as well. So that's them. It's all fairly straightforward really, isn't it? I mean, it's a drill at the end of the day. This is a charger. Still in its bag, as you can see. UK bog standard 3-pin plug. So this would be 220 to 250 volts. It's 14.4 to 18 volt charger. So you should be able to do batteries on it at around 14.4 volt and upwards to 18 volt. So it's DC 18WA. It's got, you see the light indicator, so it's flashing. Means the battery is broken, and it's got like it's too hot for that. Must be when it flashes and then for a second and then flashes, maybe, I don't know. Once it's 100%, obviously I think it'll be changing colour there. If it needs charging, it's red obviously. So it's good when you open the box and you don't read the instructions and everything becomes self-explanatory. Quite a lot of people don't read the instructions, so some quite nice straps in there holding them in. Quite often with the ABS boxes they have compartments to hold the batteries in, so I think that's quite a good idea, that, so you can hold them in quite sturdy. So there's the 18 volt battery clip, got a plastic bit covering it, but I should imagine you don't need that once it's on the drill. Obviously if you had a spare battery it'd be an idea to keep that. Keep the contacts clean then when you're not using it. So that's the battery. Nice grip, rubber handle, trigger, forward and reverse. You can operate that with your thumb and finger there. We have, we've got nice settings there. Drill, it's got a screw setting, and this must be the hammer action, so it's got hammer action as well. It's also got the torque settings, which goes from 1 to 16, which isn't bad. So you'll be using that on the screw for screwing things in, and then obviously you've got the drill setting as well for drilling, obviously. Hammer action for going into stone and masonry, and then as well you've got 2 speeds, 1, 2 speeds. So there you go. Battery obviously fits in there. You just nice smooth operation. Chuckless key. Yeah, so yeah, that works. Quite happy with that. Putting it back in the case, you've got the straps like I said earlier, so you can put your charger in. I think it goes that way around, doesn't it? That's the right way around, I think. Nice easy storage, that. The drill obviously goes in there. Obviously if you're storing your battery it would go there. So you, obviously if this had come with 2 batteries you would have had 2 batteries. Put that one in there like that, and you can put that one just a little bit. Oh, I've got that one wrong way around, that's why. There we go, that's right. And once you get it all sorted, you've got it straight, so that one goes in there like that. And that goes in there like that. And there we go. Job done. Once you've got it all in, zip it up, and there you go, that's your drill sorted. So there we go, that is the Makita HP457DWEX2. Quick review on it, not much to say about drills, you should know the drill by now. But yeah, Makitas are quite good quality drills if you're looking for a drill with hammer action, so I would recommend getting one of these. So yeah, that's it. Obviously I got a good deal on this. Like I said, it's only got 1 battery with it, so it does make it a bit awkward for charging up, but I should imagine it doesn't take long to charge either. Usually take about an hour or so, I think. But you can actually buy batteries separately, and as most people know, they're quite expensive. So but at the end of the day, you know, at the end of the day, if you've got other Makita tools, then it's well worth buying them, because like I said, the batteries are quite expensive to buy, and they only ever give you the basic batteries with drills anyway, so it's worth investing in slightly higher powered batteries. I'm not talking about the voltage, I'm talking about the amperage there, which will give you more power for the drill to operate it, and they also last longer as far as charge times as well. So yeah, that's the Makita HP457DWEX2 drill. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, and if you like, just subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we'll see you in another video soon. We will probably be making a few more in the future, and thanks for all your support with the channel. Thanks for watching.